Have you ever experienced sending WhatsApp messages but you are required to add them on your contact list? Well, we got you, and in this video, we'll be teaching you on how to send WhatsApp messages without adding them on your contact list. The first approach is using the wa.me link. Using your mobile browser or your web browser, you can visit a wa.me and adding the mobile number of the person that you want to send the message to. After clicking enter, you will be redirected to the WhatsApp page. Click the continue to chat button and you will be redirected to WhatsApp web. In this example, I'm trying to send a message to the person that is not on my contact list. The other one is by using the RocketSend.io Chrome extension. To add this powerful and easy to use Chrome extension, you just have to go to RocketSend.io, click install Chrome extension, and add it to Chrome. And after successful installation, you should be able to see the RocketSend.io window on the upper right side of your screen. Aside from being a powerful and lightweight customer engagement tool, you can also highlight and read messages, blur recent texts, blur contact details, and blur contact images. You can also attach images or documents and download reports based on your sending activities. And yes, you can send messages without adding people on your contact list. And to send a message, you just have to add the number on the phone number input box and the message that you are about to send. Click send WhatsApp button and there you have it. You send your message to a person not in your contact list. With RocketSend.io, you can also engage with your customers by automating marketing initiatives. To know more, you can visit the related video on the description box below. Got questions or do you have any topics that you want us to discuss? Let us know in the comments down below and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video.